It's day 2, working on the stone sidewalk that we laid in the first video. Today we're gonna go ahead and grout it. What we usually do is we put the grout in, we let it harden, and then we scrape it off level with the 2 joining stones. Scrape it right off, and that's about as much as we do. It turns out pretty good, it looks pretty good. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Anyways, get you guys all set up here and we'll get started. Alright guys, it's next morning. It's pretty early in the morning before work. It's perfect. That's what you want right there. Come back with the wire brush. Just kind of clean up the edges and it's going to look just perfect. Hope you enjoyed part 2 of this video. Please like and subscribe for more. If you like what I'm doing here, I got plenty of these projects around the house, so stick around. If you did see part 1 of this video, I'll go ahead and put it up here in the video, or I'll put it down in the description so you can click on that and watch that. Until next time guys, we'll see you later.